Guys, so Senzo Mchunu was speaking to Parliament in regards to the question of the disbandment of the PKTT, and he was simply saying, you know what, those guys in KZN were not present when Cyril Ramaphosa formed the PKTT team. So this is what he said.
Now, when the president decided to intervene in KZN in the form of establishing this, he didn't call General Masimula, General Mkhwanazi, and General Kumar to talk to them. He didn't. So let me start afresh to satisfy myself that you are focusing as I'm responding to you.
So there is Senzo Mchunu making it very, very clear, you know, that when Ramaphosa established the PKTT, General Mkhwanazi was not there. So the disbandment of the PKTT does not need General Mkhwanazi to be present. So this is the argument from Senzo Mchunu. And on the other hand, you know, it kind of makes sense. But the question that you can ask, you know, is like saying, so does Senzo Mchunu have the powers, you know, the same powers as the president? Because he himself, Senzo Mchunu, was not even there when the PKTT was formed. So who is he to then disband it, you know? So, but Senzo Mchunu answered that question, you know, and said he talked with Ramaphosa and he agreed, you know, that the PKTT must be disbanded. So with these two answers, you know, you can see that Senzo Mchunu's hands might be clean, because he is throwing the ball to Ramaphosa to say he is the one who disbanded this thing. And he has nothing to be afraid of, you know. He has made it very, very clear, you know, that it's Ramaphosa who disbanded this thing and agreed to it. So this thing of saying what I did is wrong does not make sense, you know. He agreed with it. So the question should now be sent to Ramaphosa as to why did you disband this thing, and Ramaphosa is simply going to answer that question and just say, you know, I felt like disbanding it, and this entire thing is going to be over. So this answers, you know, the question that so many people even had, you know, to say there is a lot, you know, that is going to come out. So there is nothing new that is going to come out of this that Ramaphosa does not know about. Prince Mashele even made it very, very clear, you know, that there is nothing new that is going to come out of this that Ramaphosa does not know about. I'll catch you guys on the next one.